In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Outlook ribbon. If you've ever wished the commands you use most were right at your fingertips, this quick method will help you get there fast without digging through menus. We'll use a simple right-click to jump straight into Outlook's customization panel so you can see exactly where those options live. First, make sure you're in the main Outlook window, not inside a pop-up message or calendar item. Look to the very top of the app where you see tabs like Home, Send, Receive, and View. That horizontal band of tabs and buttons is the ribbon. It's the control center of Outlook, and customizing it can save you a lot of time by keeping your most used tools visible and hiding the ones you rarely touch. Now, move your mouse anywhere on the ribbon area. You can be on a tab name, on an empty spot next to the tabs, or even over a group title within the ribbon. Right-click there. A small context menu will appear. From that menu, select Customize the ribbon. If you don't see that option, you may have right-clicked outside the ribbon, so try again a little higher up on the screen where those tab names are. The moment you choose Customize the ribbon, the Outlook Options window opens. This is the central place where Outlook lets you tailor the interface. You'll land directly on the section dedicated to the ribbon. On the right side, you'll see a structured list of the ribbon's tabs and their groups, showing what's currently visible. On the left, Outlook displays a catalog of available commands. You don't have to do anything else right now. The key takeaway is that this panel is where all your ribbon changes happen, quickly and safely. A couple of helpful notes while you're here. Any adjustments you make in this panel affect Outlook specifically, not other Office apps. Also, you'll notice options that let you show or hide entire tabs and even organize the layout